The house that I grew up in is no longer worth living in, they say, so they'll tear it down. My friends have all moved away, so have I. But whenever I come to town, it seems so damn great. And I know that I'm prone just to wonder, and will I ever find my way? We all learn to swim just to go under, and I can't decide which road to take. It makes me wanna know what was home back then. What was home back then? And will I ever know? And will I find it again? The young kids take our place on the ball fields and city streets. They don't know this used to be our town, and the old trails that we once made with our dirt bikes and reckless games, they're gone, just like our dreams. And I know that I'm prone just to wonder, and will I ever find my way? We all learn to swim just to go under. I can't decide which road to take. God, I wanna know what was home back then. What was home back then? And will I ever know? Or will I find it again? What was home back then? What was home back then? And will I ever know? And will I ever find it again? 'Cause the house that I grew up in, no longer worth living in, they say.